ادعو إلى سبيل ربك بالحكمة والموعظة الحسنة وجادلهم بالتي هي الأحسن. Invite all to the ways of thy Lord with wisdom and with beautiful preaching, and debate with them in the best of manners.
Said even so, Allah creates what He wills. وَإِذَا قَضَى أَمْرًا فَإِنَّمَا يَقُولُ لَهُ كُن فَيَكُونُ. So whenever He decrees a matter, He merely says to it, be, and it is. For God to create a Jesus without a human father, just like that. For Him to create a million Jesuses without father, without mother, just like that. And the Muslim believes that so Jesus was created. He was created by the act and will of God. And this word of God, the Muslims say is not God. The word of God is not God. The Christian agrees with us up to a point. He believes with us, he shares with us this thought that everything God created was by His word. In the book of Corinthians we are told, by faith we know that the heavens and the earth were created by the word of God, and that the things visible came through the force invisible. In other words, the invisible force and will and plan of God brought everything to being. So the Christian agrees that that is so. God created, like in the beginning, the book of Genesis chapter 1, it is said that God said, let us make man. He also said, let there be light, and there was light. He said. Now we say this word, we take no exception to it, that is said, but not literally. Not literally. In other words, He willed. This is our human language. We say He said, but He didn't say it with a mouth like mine. He didn't utter the words, sun, and the sun came into being. Moon, and the moon came into being. Galaxies, and man, and animals and plants, millions and millions of things. He's uttering the words, what He wants. No, God doesn't do that. He wills it and the thing comes into being. But according to our human limitation, we say He said. Everything is His word. So we say the word of God is not God. It is His word. As my words are not me, they are mine. As a book, it's my word, but I'm not a book. As a pen, is my word, but I'm not a pen. See, your words and you are two different things. Though God and His word are separate things. They are His, but they are not Him.